episode of Science Chat. Today we have a very special guest star.
Hey guys, my name is Kateryna and I'm going to teach you all about Newton's 3 laws of motion. This first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion and an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This first experiment will help demonstrate that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes! This experiment demonstrates Newton's first law because when the bowls were first standing, they were at rest. However, when we pulled the folders out, the force of friction was not strong enough in order to move them, so they remained at rest and fell down.
Now it's time to demonstrate Newton's second law.
This law states that the acceleration of an object depends on its mass and the amount of force applied to it. Here's a little experiment to show how it works. When I first push the chair, it accelerates fairly quickly because it has a small amount of mass. However, when Annie sits in the chair and I apply the same amount of force to it, it doesn't accelerate as quickly. This experiment demonstrates Newton's second law because when the chair has a greater mass, it accelerates much slower than when it does with a smaller mass.
For this next experiment, we're going to try and demonstrate Newton's third law. Now, since I don't really know anything about physics, Kateryna and I went behind the scenes and she tried to explain it to me. So from my understanding, Newton's third law states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction, going in the opposite direction of the given force. This experiment with white Play-Doh and a weight will help demonstrate Newton's third law. When I drop this weight into the Play-Doh, it creates a crater. The weight exerts a force onto the Play-Doh, and the Play-Doh exerts a force in the opposite direction. However, since the Play-Doh is not strong enough, we can see the impact of the weight. This is what causes the crater.
Okay, so you did a great job trying to be as good as I am at science. Good job, Annie. So those are Newton's 3 laws of motion.
Okay, so that's it for this week's episode. Kateryna, thank you so much for visiting us.
No problem.
And thank you so much for watching. And once again, stay tuned for next week's episode. We have a special on the periodic table. Wait, hold on. There's like, ew, there's hair. Okay, I can't. Okay, I'm ready. Oh my god. Because I look stupid when I look at the camera, I'm just like, fine.